Hey lovelies, this is my monthly skincare routine that has helped me to clear my acne and also my acne spots. Yes, I'm starting with aloe vera gel. I'm going to be using it as a shaving cream. I'm going to be shaving my face. I usually do this once in 2 weeks or once a month. Yes. So we all know the properties, the goods in aloe vera gel. It helps to soothe irritated skin. And by the way, I always use aloe vera gel in my night skincare routine on a daily basis because of its soothing properties. So be gentle when you're shaving your face. So you can see all the facial hair from the face. So I'm going to be cleansing. I'm using Neutrogena face exfoliator. So, and we don't cleanse a dry face. So that is why I sprayed some water in the face and then applied my exfoliator / face wash. So I'll rinse it off. I also use paper towels to dry my skin, or I let it air dry. I'm going in with my Neutrogena soothing clear face mask. This is for face brightening. Yeah, it helps to brighten and balance your skin tone. So I let it sit for a few minutes and then wash it off. I'm going in with a charcoal mask. So after applying the mask, I also let it sit for 10 minutes to 15 minutes and rinse my face again. So I also use face masks twice a month, once a week, or like 3 times in a month. If you haven't considered subscribing to my channel, please consider subscribing. I do skincare, hair tutorials, makeup, a little bit of everything about beauty. So I'm going in with my Neutrogena soothing clear mist toner. It is also rich in turmeric for face brightening as well. And after, my favorite Abib heartleaf Teca capsule serum calming drop. This is specifically for acne prone skin. It is for soothing and also clearing acne. Yes, this really feels amazing. It is a watery, non-sticky texture. It really helps to calm down irritated skin, acne skin. So this is a must-have. If you have an acne prone skin, please, it is a must-have. That is all I can say. And my skin really loves it. So I'm going to let it dry and then go in with a moisturizer. Oh, Skinsuccess Farmers for dark spots. I just apply this where I have dark spots. You can see my chin. It helps to fade dark spots. And I use Vichy as a moisturizer. This is my moisturizer. So feel free to use any moisturizer from any brand that works best for your skin. Yeah, I have been really consistent and patient with my skin and also my skincare routine. Yes, I always make sure to cleanse my face, to use a toner, to use a serum and also a moisturizer. Morning and night consistently, and this has really helped my skin. My skin has really improved very well. I'm going to be sharing pictures of how my skin used to look like. No matter what I used, my skin would like clear, but still the acne would come back after like a week, after like 3 days, but being consistent with skincare routine and being patient with my skin has really helped to improve my skin. So yes, consistency is the key. Bye, I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please share, comment, and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Love you.